Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to work with videos on Canva. First, you can upload your own videos if you want. Or you can get free stock videos from Canva by going to Elements here, and then Videos. Now, you can set the video as a background. Click with right mouse on it, and then click Set Video as Background. Same, you can detach it. You can also extract the audio from the video if it has. Also, you can align the video position where you want. Here you can edit the video. You have here filters for videos. Also background remover, but this is for pro version. Here is the adjust option to change the color of the video as you want. Let's put a frame and then put the video on it. Now let's change the background color. And let's put a music on it and finalize it. This is how it looks as a sample. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.